Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is my third video of Arduino coding session. So first video we'll discuss how to use digital write function, and the second video we discuss how to use digital read function. So this video we are going to talk about how to read analog read function. For this example, I am going to use a potentiometer. Actually, potentiometer is a variable resistor. So it's mean you can change the resistivity. I will explain this using this diagram. This diagram contains 2 points called A and B and C. So A and B contain some resistance value called R. So C point of resistance we can calculate with B and C. So it's called an R-1. So likewise we can get any point of resistance value by turning this potentiometer. Actually the potentiometer is a variable resistor. We can change the resistivity. Right, I will show you the resistance change using multimeter. So I put my multimeter to ohm scale. Right, I put my multimeter to the middle pin and the last pin of my potentiometer. You can see when I turn it, the multimeter ohm scale will change. Right, let's see how we get the potentiometer value using Arduino. Right, so first I soldered my potentiometer to jumper wires, and I connected the side pins for power, one for ground, one for 5 voltage, and I connect the middle pin to analog read pin of Arduino module. You can see here there are some pin called A0 to A5, which are the pin we are using read analog values. So I connected my middle pin to analog to connector. Right. Right, let's start the coding. So I connected my microcontroller to my computer using USB connector. So first I need one variable for initializing my analog pin in the analog read. So analog read, and I initiate with pin number 2, because we are using analog pin 2 for read our potentiometer value. Right. Let's we need to set up the this pin as a input pin. So pin mode right. Then I need another variable for storing and assign the digital read pin value. So I name as value equal analog read. And we need to get the output from serial monitor, so we need to initialize the serial monitor. And print and I add some delay, otherwise we can't see the values properly, so I add 1 second. Right, this line refer for define analog pin. So we initialize 2 because we are using analog pin 2 in our Arduino module, and I define another variable for storing my digital analog read value. So this variable called value. So you can define any name for your variable. And the setup mode, I define the analog read pin as input pin, and I initiate the serial monitor using 9600 bit range. And the loop, I read my analog read value using analog read function. This is the pin we are connected our sensor, and I print our value using serial print, and I add delay for for reading purposes. Actually, without delay we can't see the value clearly, right? So once it done, let's upload code to the Arduino module. Once it upload, you can open your serial monitor. Hope you can see my potentiometer and my serial monitor. So we can change the potentiometer and you can see the value change of the serial monitor. Actually, in previous example we are dealing with digital read function, so we can only get zeros and ones because of digital. So currently we are using an analog read function, so you can see we can get different value from starting from 0 to 1023. So we can get different value in between this range. So it's all about how to use analog function. I use potentiometer for this example. So hope you guys like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is the third video of Arduino Code Ninja session. So there will be more. Hang out with me. Thank you very much.